Alright, so this is the final site for the day. We're at the Golden Triangle Mall. There's a Supreme Cab Station. I used to look like the I think the next name of the Mexican restaurant, or maybe Glorious. Oh, Christina's, that's what I'm thinking. I feel like it used to be Christina's. So that's been backfilled. And then Lone Spur Cafe on an end cap. JC Penney's, Rose, Wendy's. So this is more destination oriented. So definitely a big space. Covered patio. They might lease this space. They're just breaking it down. They ran out of money. Well, they were just taking their stuff out, probably. I mean, now that I look at it, it don't look like most of the space is kitchen. It's pretty small. Indoor, outdoor. This is a pretty small area, so the actual eating area is small, but the building is probably, because the rest of it like it's just kitchen. Yeah, I mean, look at that. That's not a lot of seats. The rest of it is kitchen. So this is probably, let's see. Usually on the premise, I mean, the building itself is probably 5, but the actual eating area is not that much. It's not a lot of seats, so you probably have to either extend patio or put the garage doors there so you have indoor outdoor seating. That's a tough turn. Plenty of parking now. I mean, you gotta turn those tables. And there's people that's going further north past Denton. So, and the malls, you know, I'm not too sure about this particular mall, how well it's doing. But they got H&M here, JCPenney's, Barnes & Noble's, Fitness Connection. I mean, it kind of reminds me of what Redbird used to look like, and then from Houston, Greensport. And I don't see a monument sign for this space. That's crazy. Maybe it's somewhere over there. I don't know. All right. Let's keep looking.